What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back with Guaranteed Leads IO. Just keeping you guys updated on what's going on. The system is absolutely working. No problems with it here. Commissions are still coming in. People are signing up. So I want to talk about it real quick and then show you some more results. The best source for automated leads and automated cash flow. The link is in the description. Go check it out, guys. Next level automated home business success. Endless stream of targeted leads. When I received the email from the owner, okay, because I was a part of another system that he created a couple years ago. So he sent me this email to say, hey, he created a new system. I know he always creates some of the best systems. So I took a look at it. Once I saw it, I watched this video, okay? This is what you want to watch, guys. Go to that link in the description. Watch this video. This did it. When I watched the video, I was like, I'm in. Okay. Number one for the instant commissions. Okay. That's number one. But when I saw this, the Guaranteed Leads problem solver, okay, that's what intrigued me. All right. So what was that all about? So once I watched that video, it explained it, and I looked over this website and realized, okay, we've got something here. So not only are we going to receive direct cash flow, okay, when people buy this system, you're going to earn $75 instant commissions, okay? This whole system with the autoresponder included in your capture page, it's $125 one time, no monthly fees. So I'm like, okay, it's low cost, so it's affordable for the masses. So folks can earn $75 instant commissions instantly, any way they want. Wonderful. Now, what's the big deal about the leads? There is a vendor in the back office that you'll have access to that offers targeted leads, okay? If you're in a home-based business, it's crucial you have leads, okay? You've got to have leads, eyeballs of people looking at your offer all the time. So this company says, hey, we interview these folks. We talk to them. We already know they've raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in a home-based business, how to make money online, okay? So we have that in place, okay? They're saying they have that, and then they said, well, guess what else we're going to do for you? We're going to text your people using our automated texting system. We're going to follow up with them for you, okay? We're going to send them your link, and then we're going to text you and let you know, if they've clicked the link. We're going to email you and text you, so that way you know they're hot. They just clicked your link. Now is the time to strike. Pick up the phone or text them and call them and say, hey, I see you on my website. You see what I'm saying? So I was like, oh, this is going to be awesome. So you have access to this company, this vendor, and this company is going to also pay you commissions. When you refer people to them to use their service, they give you an affiliate link that you can share that people will see when they go in your back office because they're a member. They signed up under you. So you're going to earn upfront the $75 commissions. And then when people buy the services here, this company, this vendor is going to pay you a commission for that too. So it's multiple streams of income in one system. And this system, the Guaranteed Lead system, allows you to promote your primary business opportunity as well. Okay? So it's a win-win. It's a win-win. When you combine GL with the lead generation services, you create an extremely powerful money-making system, a system where 95% of the work is done for you, and once qualified, you make $75 commissions per sale. Okay? So the comp plan is very simple, guys. When you first make your first sale, the very first person that signs up with you, you pocket that. So you basically got your money back because 50 of the 125 goes to the company. The 75 goes to the person that invited you. The second sale you make will pass up to your sponsor. Okay, everybody passes up their second sale. All right, and then every sale after that, you pocket 75 over and over and over and over. So everybody that joins you will owe you their second sale. So this is what's going to give you leverage in the project. Okay, very affordable. 125, I think, is a great price point. So this is called a resource hub. Okay, because the GL system was built to help you promote your primary business, promote guaranteed leads, and earn multiple income all in one system. All right, so one-stop shop. Start today for 125. All right, targeted leads, access to that, automated SMS communication, email marketing, and lead marketing. All right, you get to put your picture on this page so that way it is coded to you. You're promoting yourself. People can see you're a real person. They can reach out to you. And then there's also a frequently asked question little section here, which is pretty awesome. All right, it's a very simple program, to be honest with you. All right, now let's check out. Let me go down a little bit further here. Let me show you what I've done. Hang on a second, real quick. This page, okay, that you see here. Hang on a second. What's going on? Give me a minute. This page, guys, you see what's happening up here at the top? I have this advertising, okay, that I'm using at the top. I'm in Leads Leap, by the way. I'll put that link in the description. And guess what? See, when folks click right here, this takes them to another opportunity, possibility that I can earn commissions, okay? So I'm just using all types of tools to help me promote opportunities and automate this stuff, okay? I automate everything, okay? 95% of everything that I'm doing is automated. So I put systems in place to do the heavy lifting for me, and that's what the Guaranteed Leads IO system is going to be able to do for you as well. So I just want to throw that in there. I'll put that link in the description. Go check out Leads Leap. You can get a free account or you can upgrade for $23 a month. Go check that out. All right, so let's keep moving. This is one of the capture pages that I like as well. I have a solo ad that just ran that I use. These capture pages that they have, they are amazing, guys. So you get capture pages, you get the autoresponder already included. All right, so let's take a look. I had another commission to come in with this thing. This thing is growing by leaps and bounds. It's awesome and it's simple. Okay, I put this over this to cover the person's name and email. As you can see, had another payment via Stripe right here that came in on the 27th, which was yesterday. Okay, guys, so you can receive payments via credit card. This is an awesome system. When you sign up, you want to check your email, okay, get your login information, all right, and then you want to log in the back office. All right, let me move this over. You want to log into the back office, and you want to, the first thing you want to do is go right here where it says welcome video, step 1. Okay, there's a video they're going to walk you through everything you need right there, welcome. Then the second thing you want to do is click right here, system setup video, and get everything set up, and they're going to walk you through setting that up. It's very short. I mean, look at this. What does it say? I think it's 5 minutes or less. See, 5 minutes. Okay, so do that. All right, then you come over here. Right here is your contacts. I'm not going to click that. Marketing tools. This is where your capture page and your landing pages are. And you've got tools right here, which is your email autoresponder, your email broadcast. By the way, you can broadcast to all the leads that come through your system, and they do have the banners. Okay, after I had did the video, they had loaded the banners, so they've got banners, guys. Here they are. Okay, they got tons of banners in here. Okay, really cool. Okay, and there's a lot of classified ad sites out there that allow banners. All right, and then we've got resources, and then we've got account. Under account, you can put your picture. Right here it says upload your picture. set up your notifications, contact us if you need to contact them. And then right here is the setup payment processors, okay? So they allow several processors. Let's take a look. Stripe, Bitcoin, Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle. I need to do my Venmo. I said that last time. All right, so several ways you can receive your payments, guys, okay? Now, someone asked me, because I showed where I received a PayPal payment. Well, what happened was the person that signed up sent me an email and said, hey, I was trying to pay using my credit card and I was getting this error. So when I looked at the way I had the debit card processor set up, I had missed a character when I copied and pasted my information in there. So that's why he was getting the error. And I was moving around, wasn't in front really of my computer. So they asked me, hey, do you accept PayPal? And I said, sure. So I gave him my PayPal information, because PayPal is not an option in the back office. So that's why someone asked, well, hey, how did you get PayPal? That's what happened. So I just sent him my PayPal info, and he sent it that way. Okay, so PayPal is not an option. All right, guys, but I just showed you those others, so you should be able to select from those payment processors and get everything set up. But this thing is working like a charm. I'm loving these $75 commissions that's coming in. And of course, I'll be back with an update for you guys on, I'm going to use the vendor to go ahead and set up my my system, okay, so that I can get the leads coming in. And the other thing I wanted to bring up for everybody that signs up, I've decided to do a link rotator, okay, over here in my leads leap system. So I'm going to set up a rotator, because that is an option over here. And you can see I've got one set up already for another program, and it's definitely working. I'm going to set up a rotator for all my folks, since we have a 1-up, and I'm going to put people in that. So once you get started with me, send me your link for the capture page you're going to use, okay, in the leads leap system, not leads leap, in the guaranteed leads system, so that I can put you in my rotator, guys. All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to go to the link in the description to go ahead and get started with me in Guaranteed Leads IO. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.